Guru from GAAGS. This model turned out to be really great. Speaking of great, if you want your models printed, you can contact us via our Instagram or Gmail ID. Links down in the description. Watch and enjoy the time lapse. This is a femur bone which connects our hips and legs together. Fun fact about this is the longest bone in your body and it can carry the whole weight of your body. Though the print turned out really great, there is a small problem while slicing. Zoom in. Okay, do you see the gap between the part and the base plate? Yeah, it's because we didn't check it while slicing. Keynote, it's good for you to check the file for error before printing while slicing it. And if you want to see this post process, please comment down below. Stay tuned for more videos. Follow us at Instagram at gaags. Stay creative and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. It sounds like a mouse pad. Like I think it will break pretty soon. It's going to be kept at the Hall of Fame. Then it carries the whole weight of the body above the hip. Below the hip, it doesn't count. The print turned out really great. There was a minor error in the slicing software.
There was a minor error
while slicing. Hi, this is Guru from GAAGS. Turned out to be really great. Speaking of great,
what makes this laptop truly special? Speaking of special, my segues to sponsors like ourselves. At